loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Narali back here again with another video for you guys, and please do excuse my appearance. I don't even know where to put my hair because it looks so bad, but basically I'm gonna be doing like a little get ready with me and like kind of like a vlog style type of thing. It's not a tutorial, but yeah, I've been looking really hit this past couple of weeks. I've been still doing school obviously, so I've been stressed because I just finished midterm, so I finally got that out the way, so just making it to finals and then I'll be good. But basically I'm going to be preparing. Today's my boyfriend's birthday, so I have a little present that I'm preparing for him. It's something small because I haven't been able to I didn't have time or like the ability to go out and get him something that I wanted to because we're still under quarantine. And also I've been looking really hit lately because I've been stressed, so I've been breaking out. I got like 2 cold sores in the past week and I'm really salty, but it's okay because today we're gonna make a comeback and we're gonna take you pictures, and I'm gonna make a cute gift for him because he's gonna come over and we're gonna break social distancing because I need to see him. I haven't seen him in 3 weeks and I'm so sad. But first, last night I started this, and basically it's like a little jar, like, you know, those head ass, because I'm really head ass, those head ass things that you see on Pinterest. So this is what it is. So like the pink ones are 23 reasons because you just turned 23 reasons why I love you. The blue ones are 23 date ideas, and I'm gonna do the purple ones now, and these are going to be 23 memories. So it'll be a cute little something like you can just like, you know, open up like and read during quarantine and shit, you know. And then I also got him a card, and it's so cute. It's so cute. And then a gift card to Home Depot because he's an electrician, and I was gonna get him some tools because he said he wanted tools, but I haven't been able to go to Home Depot, so I just sent my father to go get him a gift card and I gave him the money for it. So yeah, but we're also going to be getting ready, and I'm going to make a cheesecake, and I'm going to show you guys as I make that. So if you guys want to know how I go about my day, then just keep on watching. So first things first, I take all my materials, which was basically my flashcards cut into 3, and then I have all my notes written down on my laptop. And the pink one, I had 23 reasons why I love him. The blue ones were 23 day ideas, and the purple one was 23 memories of us. And then I just basically take it all out and mix it all up and put it in the jar.
Ryan Little.
So first things first, we have a pie crust. We got some vanilla. We got some sweet condensed milk, and this is amazing just by itself, honestly. And we got the cream cheese, and we're gonna use 2 eggs. So there we go. Don't mind my nails, they look really hip. So once you have all your materials, you're going to need a blender, and this is me getting the blender because I'm really short and I couldn't reach at the top. And then basically I'm taking the cream cheese and I'm putting it all in the blender. You really need like a whole stick of cream cheese, but like this one was just an extra one that I had, so I'm putting that plus the full cheese cream cheese in there. And then I'm taking the 2 eggs that I have and I'm putting that also in there. And then I'm going in with a sweet condensed milk, and oh my god, this is literally amazing even by itself. Like I literally take all of it out, and then whatever there is left, I just drink it or eat it pure, just like that. And then finally, when you get all of that out, you're going to take the vanilla, and with the vanilla you're going to take the tiniest little bit out, only like you only fill up the little cap, and then I put it in. So once you have all your materials, you basically just make sure that's all blended out in the blender, and I'm just letting that chill there. It doesn't really look like it's moving, but it is. And this is the pie crust brand that I get, but it doesn't really matter what brand you get. And then once it's all like really liquidy, you basically just take that liquid and you pour it into the pie crust. And I was trying to be aesthetic AF here, but then it spilled over and I messed it up a little bit right there in the corner, but it's okay because it still tasted good. And yeah, my mom just messed it up even more low-key there, but it's okay because it still tastes good. And then you just put it in the oven and wait till it bakes. So I just finished his present. I have his letter right here, and then I have his little jar, and then his gift card is also in here. I really wish that I had like something like to give him instead of, because I don't like people just giving people money. I like to like give him something, but like, you know, given the circumstances, I didn't really have like time or the ability to go out and get something. So that'll do for now, and then hopefully once his quarantine is over, we can go on a cute little date or something. And yeah, now I'm just gonna kind of look good because I feel like I'm looking hit. So we're just gonna talk through this a little bit because I'm not really doing a tutorial. I'm just doing like a random video of get ready with me / day in my life of quarantine, because this is the most I've been wanting to do a day in my life in quarantine, but like honestly I don't have much to give you guys because like what am I really doing? Like I'm literally just sitting around in class all day. Like yesterday on Wednesdays, those are like the worst days ever. Because like technically Tuesday's my busiest day because I have most classes. Actually no, Wednesday and Tuesday I have like the same amount of classes. I have 3 classes in that day. But like on Wednesday, it's like literally I'm sitting on my laptop on my computer from 10 a.m. all the way up until 3 p.m. So I'm just like this is so ghetto. So yeah, I don't really have much to give you on those days. Like I'm literally just like, I don't want to give you a clip of like me sitting on my laptop for 3 hours. And honestly, I'm gonna straighten my hair, but like please don't judge me because like I don't have like a specific technique of the way that I split my hair or anything. So somebody's definitely gonna come on my neck. Yeah, I'm sorry. I just can't. I'm not the best with hair, that I can tell you for sure. I haven't straightened my hair in like 2 months, I think. And today we're breaking that. Sorry, I just posted a picture for him on his birthday. And one of my friends commented and was like, y'all low-key look alike. I was like, girl, where? I just thought it was so funny. So I basically just straightened my hair and just sped this up because it was just gonna be really boring for you guys to watch anyways. So yeah. And I'm gonna put a headband on so I can start doing my eyebrows because girl, I cannot wait to go get my eyebrows started because like, do y'all see all that extra hair right there? Like, sis, this is not okay. Like I need the salons to open back up. I need the mall to open back up so I can go get my eyebrows done and I can feel like complete again. Like if my eyebrows get any bushier than this, I'm gonna cry. This is ghetto. So here I am doing my eyebrows and taking my tail away basically. So like I low-key took off a little bit too much of my tail here and I'm sad. But you know what? We're just gonna leave them alone and just cover it up with a makeup, and next time I'll stay away from my tail. And this train is always interrupting me. Like, we just don't understand why she's so rude. I'm just so mad because like this eyebrow, I when I was in middle school, so when I was in middle school, I low-key shaved I thought I had a unibrow, which I never really did, honestly. I don't know why I thought I did, but I thought I had a unibrow, so I shaved the middle of my eyebrows off. And that was the biggest mistake of my life because now this eyebrow will forever be the better eyebrow because this one right here is like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, you see how like this one has more hair here and this one's like missing hair? So that will forever be my biggest regret. And now I took off my tail of my brows, so there's that. It's like this brow is just, I'm always fucking it up, man. Like, what is wrong with me? So yeah. So I just finished getting ready, guys. My makeup is done, my hair is done, my eyebrows are done, and I actually have clothes on. I put jeans on, like, wow, it's like a new person. And let's just talk about my hair real quick because, bro, the inches on here are literally so real. It is literally to my back, almost to my butt, and I'm so happy because I haven't had my hair this long in so long, and I guess I just hadn't really realized how long it really was. I mean, like, I low-key did realize it in like the last video that I posted, like 2 videos ago, when I had my, it was like I had my curly hair on, but like my hair looked like really long, and I was like, damn, bro, like I got inches. But yeah, this took a lot of time and effort to get ready. I haven't felt like this in a while and literally feel like a brand new woman. I have like everything done and I'm just ready to go out. Like I'm over this quarantine life, you know. But shit, my boyfriend better appreciate this because I'm looking at like a whole damn meal right now. All right, let me humble myself down a little bit. Let me stop being a Leo real quick. But yeah, he's actually on his way, so I will see you guys when he gets here. Other people.
Hi, my loves.
Hi, my loves.
Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah. So he's here. I mean, I'm a terrible vlogger, so I didn't record him giving him his present or anything. How do you feel about your present?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
I love you.
I give him 23 reasons why I love him. So.
And we haven't seen each other in like 4 weeks.
I know. So bad.
I say this is a test to our relationship.
That's what he says.
See how long we can go.
But I missed him so much. I just wanted to hug him, guys.
She made me cheesecake.
Yeah, I did make him cheesecake. I showed them too.
You did?
And they saw me mess up. But it's okay.
Wait, how'd you mess up?
Because I was trying to be like cute, like you know when you go on TikTok and like you see all the food videos and like the food porn and stuff and like gets close up or whatever.
Yeah.
So then I was trying to get my mom to do that because my mom was like sitting over here recording and I was like, can you get a little closer? And then when I went to try to go put it down, that's why it spilled over. I mean, it's still like good, obviously. Oh, I didn't show them the final result. This is the final cheesecake.
Bye.
We haven't tried it, but this is where I messed up right here. This little mess up. But I mean, it's still gonna taste good. So, let's see.
Taste test.
Taste test. On camera. Are you sure?
No, that's some good cheesecake.
Really?
My mom would love this.
You heard it here first. Yeah, I'm gonna send them some mom piece too. You heard it here first, guys. Narali cheesecake, better than Cheesecake Factory. Point blank, period. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. This video was kind of all over the place. I shaved my hair, I did my makeup, I made his gift. And he loves my hair when it's straight. That's literally why I straightened it.
It's my favorite.
I straightened it for you, okay? Even though I was literally acting like we were going on a date or something, but like, mind you, we didn't. Cause
this is a date. Quarantine date.
Sala date, you already know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, make sure to comment down below, like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon down there to get notified every single time I post. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Peace.